Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be discussing the current state of Bitcoin and the potential price predictions for the near future. As you may know, Bitcoin's price has been on the rise lately, and a lot of investors are keeping a close eye on the market. According to recent reports, Bitcoin's price has risen by 3% from its recent low. However, there are several factors that could potentially affect the value of BTC in the near future. One of the key drivers of Bitcoin's value is its perception as a safe haven asset. Recent bank failures have eroded public faith in conventional banks, leading investors to view Bitcoin as a safer alternative. This has contributed to the upward climb of BTC in recent times. This week, Bitcoin hit a record high of 28.8 K, but it is now trading between 26,000 and 27,000, suggesting a reversal in direction. However, many analysts believe that Bitcoin will likely exceed $30,000 very soon. Currently, Bitcoin has a 24-hour trading volume of $13.7 billion and a market value of $27,888. Its value has increased by 1.50% in the last day, and it is ranked first on CoinMarketCap with a $539 billion live market value. Technical analysis indicates that the BTC-USD pair is currently moving in a choppy direction, while the $28,900 level may act as resistance. However, Bitcoin is still trading close to $27,900, and its technical picture hasn't changed much as of yet. There is a possibility that Bitcoin's value could increase if the BTC-USD pair manages to break through the $28,950 resistance level, with a possible price increase to $29,200 or even $30,700. On the other hand, if a bearish trend takes hold, it is anticipated that the price of Bitcoin would find strong support between $26,600 and $25,200. With the value of the global cryptocurrency market on the rise, currently estimated to be $1.16 trillion, all cryptocurrencies' prices, including Bitcoin, are being impacted by the recent upswing in the market. That's it for today's Bitcoin price update and prediction. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more updates on the